Here, I have a design of a control arm that I'd like to test using SolidWorks SimulationXpress to find out how much the part will deform or if it will fail during expected use. In this test, the large circular opening is welded to a beefy shaft, and the downstream linkage pushes on the small hole with another shaft in a direction normal to the effective axis of the arm. A critical first step to obtaining successful test results is correctly describing these interactions to SimulationXpress. To launch SimulationXpress, go to the Tools drop-down menu and select SimulationXpress. When I do, SimulationXpress appears in the task pane and is pinned to the screen. If you ever want to collapse it, simply click on the pushpin icon to unpin it, and click anywhere in the graphics area. To bring it back again, just click the SimulationXpress icon. I'll repin the task pane to keep it open while we create the study. The wizard is straightforward and will guide you through each step in the process, but to give you an overview, you'll basically only have to complete 3 steps. You'll have to add fixtures to the part to specify how it's held in place or restrained. You'll have to specify how external loads are applied to the part. And you'll have to assign the part's material. There are a few other tasks performed as you go through the wizard, but these 3 steps are the ones that will greatly affect any result you obtain. In later lessons, we'll take a look at how to interpret the results, and even how to optimize the design.